Getting set up with the business credit reporting agencies. There are three main business credit reporting agencies in the United States: Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax Commercial. These are the reporting agencies your EIN credit is reported to. Start with initial business credit. Get set up with initial trade vendors that report to D&B, Experian, and Equifax to establish initial business credit. If you have good personal credit or a guarantor who does, you can also build initial business credit with our unsecured business financing program. There are approvals for up to $150,000 and 0% rates for 6 to 18 months. This is unsecured, no documentation financing. Get approved even as a startup. Get pre-approved by going to www.creditsuite.com/get-funding. Now let's look at getting set up with Experian. Experian is used by many credit issuers to determine if you should be approved for a credit card and how much you should be approved for. Get started with Experian by using their Biz Verify system. See if Experian has information about your company already and verify the information they do have. You can conduct your free search at www.creditsuite.com/reports, or you can do this with Experian directly at www.smartbusinessreports.com. Your Experian Business Credit Report contains identifying information, payment information, public record information, inquiries, company background information, and your business credit score. If your initial search does pull up your business information, pull your business credit report. Do so even if you have no trade lines. This is because Experian will give you a low failing credit score, and this is if they have even basic information about your business. Experian says, Experian requires minimum information to generate a score. If a business doesn't meet these requirements, a score is not generated. Minimum information is at least one trade line and/or one demographic element. These are demographics such as years on file, standard industrial classification codes, and business size. If Experian has even basic information about your business, it is enough demographic info for them to populate a business credit report. A report can be populated with no trade lines. If so, you'll almost always see a score of 27 to 29 out of 100. This is a failing credit score. It only takes one account reporting to change credit status from high risk to low risk. Even one reported trade line can change a score from 27 to 29 to 85 to 100. That is once the account is reported. It only takes 30 to 90 days after you get approved for an account reported. Buy something and pay the bill for the account to report. Let's recap. Setting up a new business means opening Business CRA files. Use Biz Verify to get set up with Experian. Check a business's setup status at www.creditsuite.com/reports. Contact us today to learn more about getting set up with business credit reporting agencies.